Ivanka Trump is scheduled to take the stand in the $250 million civil fraud trial case against former President Donald Trump. He repeatedly clashed with the judge, who is also the jury in this case. ABC's senior investigative correspondent Aaron Katersky has been tracking the trial and has more on what exactly took place.
Former President Trump is off the witness stand and on the attack.
Because it's a scam, and this is a case that should have never been brought.
Trump testified with evident disdain for a case that threatens his business and a judge who has already determined Trump defrauded banks by overvaluing his assets and inflating his net worth. He always rules against me, Trump complained. This is a very unfair trial. Judge Arthur Engoron found Trump's responses long-winded and off-topic and told him to answer yes or no, at one point asking his attorney, "Can you control your client? This is not a political rally. This is a courtroom." The exasperated judge telling Trump, "You can attack me, you can do whatever you want, but answer the questions." Far from inflating his net worth, Trump insisted he's worth billions more than his financial statements indicated. And he said banks didn't care about the statements anyway. They were just something that you would have. Trump deflected any blame to his accountants, but also acknowledged his own role in preparing those statements. "I would see them, and I would maybe on occasion have some suggestions." And he conceded some of his properties were valued incorrectly, like his Trump Tower triplex, listed at 3 times its actual size, and his Seven Springs estate north of New York City, listed at 10 times its assessed value. "I thought it was too high, and we lowered it," Trump said.
He rambled, he hurled insults, but we expected that. At the end of the day, the documentary evidence demonstrated that, in fact, he falsely inflated his assets.
Ivanka Trump will be the state's last witness when she takes the stand Wednesday. She is not a defendant in the case, but like her brothers who are defendants, she has denied involvement in her father's financial documents and blamed others.
Sure, he has accountants who do all sorts of stuff, have all sorts of stuff. But I don't specifically know what was prepared on his behalf.
Former President Trump is now fundraising off of his testimony here, urging supporters to donate to his campaign, even as he tried to convince the judge the vastness of his wealth should not be questioned. Aaron Katersky, ABC News, New York.